Hi, this is Bill and Frank with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're going to do a quick inspection video on the Precision 1340 inch metric model 1340 conventional tool room lathe. We're also going to do a video showing the jet milling machine. So Doc, what we wanted to do is show you how the paint turned out on the tailstock, the removable chip pan, and the rear splash guard in our spiderweb white. It's going to contrast the Precision 1340 in the midnight blue. And please note your Accurate digital readout is wrapped in saran wrap here. And additionally, we have indicators set up on both machines. Let's go ahead and start with this first one, Frankie.
Okay. Can you get a close-up of it?
You bet, I'd be happy to. Let me come over here and dial in. Okay, coming in nice and tight with the camera. Okay, so please note we have the tip of the indicator right here on the ID of the spindle, Doc. Let me zero in really close.
It's touching.
All right, that's as close as I can get. Okay. All right, we're not seeing any lateral movement at all. Everything's checking out just fine. Thank you so much, Frank. Let's go ahead and run 1 or 2 speeds, and we'll call it good on this machine. And I'll show them the tooling.
It's 90.
Okay, we're currently running at 90 RPM. And again, Doc, this machine has your 4-way tool post, your steady rest, your follow rest, your coolant, your foot brake. I'm going to show you your 6-inch 3-jaw chuck, your faceplate, your 4-jaw chuck, things of that nature.
That's 330.
Okay, that's 330 RPM. Here's your steady rest, Doc. There's your follower rest. Here's the compound cross-slide apron assembly. All right, I'm going to get close in on that digital readout for 1 second while you're go ahead and crank it. All right, I don't know if it's going to show. Kind of hard to see it with the saran wrap on it.
Oh man, it's making a weird look.
Please note the saran wrap is just on it to preserve the integrity of the display box. We can pull that off at any time. Thank you. All right, on your left shoulder here, Frank.
1170.
Okay, here's 1170 RPM. Beautiful. Show them those blades. Now, additionally, I'd like to point out the inch and the metric graduations on the dial here. And that's relevant to the cross slide as well as the compound as well. And apparently as well on the apron. I'll show them the apron too. Very nice. And here on the apron as well, Doc. All right, very good. Okay, one last thing I'd like to show you is the 8-inch 4-jaw chuck, the leveling feet for the machine, the 6-inch 3-jaw chuck. Here's your toolbox with your spare change gears, as well as the fact that here's your drive plate. All your miscellaneous tools. Okay, all the documentation is provided on the machine. Also, here's your digital readout booklet and your inspection chart that you've previously seen. Okay, we're 4 minutes and 20 seconds in. Let's go ahead and transition over to the jet milling machine. Oh, excuse me. Thank you, Frankie. Frankie would also like to point out, sir, that we are at 28 inches front to back on the machine base, as well as 72 inches end to end, and our weight is 1,810 pounds. So again, 72 inches left to right, 28 inches front to back, at 1,810 pounds. This is for your contractor to show him what's up when it comes to your question on how thick do you want the concrete. Okay, very good. First thing I'd like to point out on this machine is we're talking 36 inches front to back. We're talking 22 inches side to side. And we have 2,800 pounds on this machine. Please give us a call if you have any additional questions on those dimensions. We'd be happy to talk to you about those. All right, go ahead, Frank. All right, on your right. Okay, I'm going to come in nice and close. All right, Doc, we have the indicator set up on the spindle of the jet.
And it is also touching. That's pretty good.
Okay. I didn't see any movement whatsoever. No. Okay. Let's give it one last little spin and then I'll back up.
Gotcha.
All right, thank you. Okay, very good. Okay. All right, we're 6 minutes even in. We'll give them about 1 minute of runtime. Okay, now additionally, Doc, we'd like to point out the fact that we have your tooling set up here with the Kurt Weiss, the new all digital readout, your collet set, the drill chuck, the quill down feed handle, as well as the Yuasa rotary table. And the clamping kit is located down on the base. Here's all your tooling. Here's the Kurt Weiss. Here's the digital readout. Okay, it's a jet variable speed milling machine with the high and a low range. I have the manuals for both machines. By the way, this machine is 3-phase 220. Your lathe is single-phase 220. Oh, nice little table feed. Yes, sir. Okay, Doc, the table feed and the digital readout are both 110. Therefore, they're just plugged into the cord sitting here on the ground. Those will come off your wall. Okay, just run up high and low. Give us about 15 more seconds, Frank. I'm at 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, showing the brake. All right. You just can't quit playing with that little rotary table.
I love it, man.
I know.
I love it.
I know. All right, well, gentlemen, if there's anything else we can help you with, please let us know. This is Bill at Machinery Consultants in Salt Lake City, Utah. This is going to be posted on our inspection area of YouTube. These two machines are sold. It's December 2014. And we just wanted to thank you again for your valued interest and your inquiries. This is Bill Wilson Jr. of Machinery Consultants at 801-531-9500. Have a great day.